Yo, yo, yo. Yo, it's your girl, and I'm back with a mother freaking banger. Yo, what's going on, y'all? We back at it again with another vlog, live vlog. Before we get this vlog started, y'all already know I say this in every freaking video. We're gonna roll to 1K subs, but we gotta get to 400 first. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe if you're new, and if you're already here, man, you know, show love. Get this video to 10 thumbs up. Boom, bow. So today's adventure, my cousin called me last night, and she like, let's go this little hiking, you know, chopper trail that I like 40 minutes away. I think it's like Great Falls. What is it, Great Falls? Great Falls, something like that. Around the way or whatever. I'm gonna just sit y'all right here. So, she called me and she was like, boom, let's go on this little trip tomorrow, da da da. So it's not really a trip, it's just like a little hiking trail, a little waterfall, da da da. So boom, that's what today's vlog is about. Hey, beautiful. I know y'all can tell by the title of this video, boom, and the thumbnail, you know what I'm saying, boom. So, you know, all morning I've been packing my bag. I got the GoPro charge, I got the camera charge, I got an extra battery charger for my phone, da da da. I got everything in the bag. You feel me? I got the you know, I got stuff, everything I need in the bag, right? Boom. So we probably gonna grab some fruit. I got 2 waters in the freezer. We probably grab some fruit, da 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 da. So we can have some breakfast or whatever, and then we about to head over to my cousin's house, and we're gonna go. So that's today's adventure. So you guys stay tuned for that. I got the whole knapsack. I think it's the weather today is pretty good. It's like 74 or whatever. It's supposed to rain and storm every single day after today for like the next week. So today's the perfect day. It's not too hot, not too cold. So that's what today's adventure brings. Make sure you guys check out the rest of my content right after this video. Stay tuned. So the gang is all here. We got Mare.
I'm extra ugly, like.
Maybe we should see what this is.
So they probably want me to move. Kill. As y'all can see, we just pulled up or whatever. This is what it look like. I don't know too much about where we about to go or like how we about to get there. We just gonna find our way together. But it's nice to be out the house and like not in a grocery store. Like only, yeah, like only time we go somewhere is to the grocery store, like to go get food. So this is where we at for real. Great Falls Park.
Today's gonna be a vlog.
Y'all, we seen some mansions, like some real mansions, like gated, bruh. But I don't know. We're gonna have fun, take out with y'all. I'm gonna take y'all with me, get some B-roll and all that good stuff. Let me catch y'all. There's something I'm saying. Here. So right now we just really trying to find some civilization, trying to find the people. Wait till I get like a camera and like I can get like big angles. Y'all could have seen everything in one frame, but we're just trying to find some civilization. I hope y'all can hear me. Oh, look at, there go everybody. Hold up, people. So we made a pit stop, y'all. Just ran to the bathroom real quick. But I think we have arrived to the freaking waterfalls. Like, if we have, bruh, suggest you guys come here. It's a cool little vibe, picnic and all that. Wow, it's really a freaking waterfall. We definitely get it done. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh yeah. Oh wow, I could stare at this for like literally hours. Please. What the fuck was that?
That's how.
Look at me in this country.
Like the old.
What really happened on that Thursday here at Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death?
The fuck is that? Shit! I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town.
We're gonna get closer to the waterfall. So I gave y'all a perspective of, you know, how I look from up there. Nah, it's not good. It's not, yeah. It's the this type of shit. And look in the back of the video though. Like, tell me this do not look like
dangerous.
like a movie, bruh. This looks like a movie, bruh. Caution, no swimming. Oh, I guess we can't go swimming today.
Come on, y'all. If I die, you ain't gonna die. If I go missing, speak life.
All right.
Everybody be careful.
Watch your step. The floor is wet. Oh, how we finna get down here? Yeah, I can't vlog.
You got people. You got people.
Oh, no, wait. My baby said she's from New York. She don't do this.
She always said we got her in this country.
It's 22. Rick.
Look at you, Megan. I thought it was on my neck. I'm like, look at the alternate Megan. I got my latest. Take it off.
I ain't gonna lie. We breaking a little bit of sweat. We just like hiking. For real, for real. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness.
He look like he's supposed to be like a thing with a dandelion.
Right. Bruh, somebody give me a dog, please. My little dog could have been with me, man. Oh, see, I see another dog. Pissed off as we just came up from that daggone mountain. And we're off.
Let's get on this trail.
We got another little waterfall, little trail, little thing. So, I'm about to show y'all this.
We're gonna take him every
Child.
weekend. We just said go.
Me too. Me too, sis.
No iPads. No
Me too.
TV. Have a big ass. You put him in here. Yo, these bugs disrespectful.
At this point, bro.
Like, what is space? You gonna fly into my eyeball.
At this point, we just walking around cracking jokes, enjoying the air. It keep getting hot and it keep getting cold. But y'all know when you carrying a huge bag, bruh, it be stuck to your back and you just be hot. But I don't know if we have any more trails to go through or whatever.
I swallowed a bug. They flying into my eyeballs, into my nose, into like my life. And I'm ready to get the bug.
But yeah, I don't know. We just probably going back to find some more trails and walk around, find a car, or whatever the case is. Ain't gonna lie, it's hot. Friend!
Oh, he coming.
Friend, what you doing over there? By yourself, friend? Where your family, friend? Shut up. Why you ain't got nobody down there with you? You lost, friend. Pelican, friend.
Pelican, friend.
What you doing down there by yourself, friend? Oh, he looking at me. Oh, he got a fish in his mouth?
It's a
Oh, this Zoom. Hold on. Come back, friend. Where you going? I find another friend.
Bitch, I thought that was a fucking animal or something. That's her kissing her.
Y'all see the sweat on my face? First of all, my skin glowing.
Fart.
But Valerie. Blue squad, are you alright? Platinum squad, are you alright?
Shut up.
Alright.
Shut the fuck up.
But look, so we oh, my ankle balled on the rock. I almost just broke my little ankle. I almost just broke my little ankle, friend. But we walking back to the car. Obviously, y'all can see with the little parking lot now.
Okay, guys, that's my car right here.
That's where we came in, if y'all ain't know.
But I want a white one. You want a white one?
Yeah. But we about to maybe go get some food. But we leaving the park for sure. It's hot and it's a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? So
My boobs sweating.
it's dumb hot for real.
Can you pop the trunk?
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not over. Do not click off. It's in the small part, in the front part.
Okay.
First thing first, I need y'all to like this video right now. Go ahead, cause we litty. I'm out here. Getting the vlogs for y'all. And for me. It'll take all day to open the door. Just kidding. Just kidding. We about to go get some food. I'm gonna catch in with y'all. Like this video right now. Like it, like it, like it.
I don't know if I'm gonna end this vlog right
like
now.
Like it!
But I'm hot, I'm sweaty.
Like the video now!
Shut up!
But they didn't like it yet. Can you go ahead and do it so I can go ahead and go to the next clip? Go ahead, like it.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Son, just like the video. Just like it real quick.
Oh my!
So y'all want to just keep sitting here because y'all don't want to like the video. Alright, but whatever. Now I need you to subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna get to the next clip. Boom. As y'all can see, we pulled up to the harbor. If you guys, it probably don't work right now. I don't know. If you guys watched my harbor vlog when I was like, you know what I'm saying, I gotta get out the house. That was my first big outing. Yeah, that's my harbor vlog.
If I do gotta pay, we all split the ticket.
Yeah.
But anytime I come down here.
But yeah, we at the harbor now because we're trying to find out where we're gonna get some food from. So. Oh. Told you I used to work right over there, but it used to be Pinkberry, but there ain't no more Pinkberry, so yeah, that's the end of that.
Oh, we got tables out here. Y'all wanna go get the table?
Not in this heat.
Not in this fucking heat. Y'all, it's too much. I don't like being hot eating. I don't like that.
It's hot with all this dark gray and black, no cap, but I'm probably gonna get me a nice little salad from Potbelly. Diddy used to work here. I used to work next door, and then she was here, and then yeah, you got it. Thank you. You got it. Y'all gotta be hip about y'all gotta be hip about Potbelly, yes sir. Yes sir, good eats. All on my board. Y'all know what the kid got.
She gave you a fork?
Yeah.
You should have got some water from the car.
Oh, let's go buy a drink. Come on.
She kind of like rain. She kind of like rain a little bit.
Here, go buy some lemonade. Y'all know what I got.
Did y'all work the table?
Yeah, I did. Hold on, because I should have had the camera rolling. I'm gonna just keep it on, but look. My man's is ghetto. She said, if you could give me good. Say it, please.
No.
Say it, D.
Y'all not about to make me the bed.
She said hey, if you could get my man's good, then yeah. That's love for the DMV, baby. You get her good, she gonna love you, my mother. I can't. That's.
I'm crying.
I love it. I love that.
You can be good. I love you.
I'm good. He got me good.
That just means I care. If I don't care,
I hope you let me tweet from his page.
if I don't care, then like I don't love it.
I just wish I could just sit this joint right here and we could just chat. I know. When people be in restaurants, they just sit in like the next booth. Yes, sir. But when I tell y'all, working down here used to be just literally everything and more, like everything. Even working at the mall. You know, even working at the mall. I need to be rolling, man.
Too dumb.
I can't show it. I know, and it's blowing me because I always people probably be thinking like, is it really not funny or nothing? But we be geeking about politics, but it's always off the camera.
Type of humor though.
That's true. That's true.
We think everything is funny.
Everything, bro.
And we get very technical with our funny. Like
Exactly.
people be looking at me like, "Bitch, you're a person."
Exactly. And then like. It don't be forced, so I can't get in front of the camera and get the key can because it's like it has to be genuine.
Everything
like,
just
you don't be forcing nothing, bro.
That's what me and Didi was saying. Like
they said on Snow on the Bluff, let it be roll. Do not turn that camera off.
Like us as a duo, funny as shit, but like I can't like turn it on.
I know.
Panic.
That's why I be mad. I'm like,
Sweat.
no matter what, do not stop rolling.
No matter what you're going through, no matter where we come from. Man, it's fine. You can be yours. I don't want to go in the home.
I'm ready to take.
Go in the home.
I don't want to go in the home and home.
Don't let me log in and do some shit. Don't let me down.
When I tell you this snap,
Dimsdale, let me down. I have to
take a boo boo.
use the bathroom. I have to use the bathroom. Look at that, roll ice cream. Okay, friends. Waterfront.
I just want to lay on my stomach and be knocked. I just feel like I'm not gonna feel good. I feel like I'm
love
too
how
full
like
or
city
something.
niggas say water. They be like water. Water.
New Orleans.
Yeah, I'm at Waterfront.
New Orleans, baby.
Water. Did you see Ricky Thompson dancing to Sadie?
Oh no, I didn't. I thought that was an old video. That's why I didn't click on it. For real? Somebody just did the voice, the audio of it, or like he was.
No,
really
he was dancing to a song, and then he was singing, and he sung it, and it like brought it in. And
Oh, that's funny. And it was him and
Denzel.
I thought it was that old video. I ain't never watched it. I thought it was somebody already seen. What you want? What you want to a house? That's funny.
When they was getting off beat. I'm not.
Yeah,
But Ricky was never on beat.
that's funny. I got a headache a little bit. I need to go to sleep. When I tell you, Jesus, I need some sugar. Like it tastes like good healthy lemonade, but I like
These bugs.
my color people lemonade.
They're flowing in my nose.
I know.
my back. Like, flying in my nose. I can't even talk because I'm so irritated.
Maybe calling me, you can't see, you know, like on the back of my arm. Like, come on now.
This baby is funny as shit. Like,
He look like his name Calvin. Not Kevin, but like Calvin.
Calvin.
He look like his name Calvin.
He's so cute. Starting with Kiana. Oh, where you going? Never mind, he's from New Jersey. Maybe it's a rental. Maybe that's not his car. Now your girlfriend's
holding you
for 2 minutes. Now your girlfriend's back up, but she never had.
Why you skip me?
What the hell do you want? I already got you.
Obrigado.
I'm glad I didn't say what I was about to say while you was recording. We turned spicy.
We still rolling. Hey, is she funny?
I have 2 whole videos.
Oh wow.
Dramatic 2 minutes. I thought that was the burn, but that ain't coming.
Summer.
Right, and I'm
Poor baby don't have a name.
Poor baby don't have a name. That's not my name.
That's not my name.
It's a mirror.
Amira.
Huh?
Amira.
My name is Amira.
Amir.
Like you don't have to you don't have to be like Amira.
The bugs just be hovering in your face, man.
Amir, I hate that shit. That's
Amir. So you hate every time y'all call your name?
pretty much.
Amir.
She don't be calling me that unless she's trying to be irritated.
Which is that's all the time. All the time.
The best time the world starts
Is that? Oh yeah. I went to school with him.
My fucking head hurts.
I went to middle school. Deacon to try and chef it up.
Which one you want?
And then let me show y'all this.
That one.
And then
Which one?
And then my name made the green machine. What y'all know?
Which one? Okay. Which one you want? Right here.
Then you step in here.
I just got a black.
My niece been teaching me how to play Fortnite. She been teaching me everything I need to know, so I can capture the audience, and so y'all can bang with me. So let me show y'all. Say what's up to the vlog.
Oh my god! What's up, y'all?
Yeah,
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing, y'all? You know?
Yes, sir. So give me a big fat thumbs up. My camera about to die. Give me a big fat thumbs up if y'all want to see some type of gaming content. I don't know. I don't play anything like that, but I might get into it. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because, like I said, my camera's dying and I don't feel like putting in my other battery. So we can go ahead and cut it right here. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm about to have this cookie and this icy, and I'm done. Go home, take a shower, go to sleep, edit, get this next video getting posted up. Subscribe.